Hello all. So we were studying about cardiac cycle, okay? So we will continue today cardiac cycle, the rest of the topic of cardiac cycle. So cardiac cycle means one time contracting and one time relaxing of the heart, means cardiac cycle equals to one systolic plus one diastolic, right? And cardiac cycles are divided into two cycle. We can divide cardiac cycle into two cycle, which is atrial cycle and ventricular cycle. Atrial cycle means event occurring in atrium, and ventricular cycle means event occurring in ventricles of heart, right? So we studied about atrial systole. Today we will study about atrial diastole and the rest of the topic. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so atrial systole means contracting. So atrial diastole is just opposite. Diastole means relaxing. Okay, atrial relaxation means right now the atria is relaxing. Atria gives the blood, pass the blood to the ventricles. Now atria is relaxing. Now atrium will relax. So what I told you about relaxing diastole in cardiac cycle, relaxing means filling with blood, means atrium right now will fill with more blood. Okay, let's see. Duration of atrial diastole is 0.7 second. Okay, and atria mostly relax right in this period, diastolic period, and gradual filling with blood continues. Okay, relaxation means filling with blood, right? So gradually filling with blood continues. Pressure gradually increase as the blood continues to fill atrium, so pressure gradually increase. Now let's see what happens in ventricles at that time. Okay, so during when atrium was contracting, ventricles were relaxing. Right now atrium is relaxing, so ventricles will do what? They will do work, means they will contract this time, means during this period, means during the atrial diastole period, when the atrium will relax, in this period ventricular systole and ventricular diastole will occur. Okay, yeah. Now let's tell you about the ventricular cycle. This has some phases. Let's continue. Systole. Ventricular systole means right now ventricles are contracting and pushing the blood out of it, and this has two phases, which is isovolumic contraction and ventricular ejection. And ventricular diastole means ventricles are now relaxing, so it has some phases, which is protodiastole, isovolumic relaxation phase, rapid passive filling phase, reduced filling phase, and the last is last rapid filling phase. Okay, so let's understand this. Okay, so ventricular cycle. Okay, at first we will start with ventricular systole, means right now ventricles are contracting. Duration of ventricle systole is 0.3 second. Okay, and phases, first phase is first phase is isovolumic contraction. Okay, now what's the meaning of this? Let's see. When ventricular pressure become higher than the atrial pressure, blood started to flow back to the atrium. Let's see the diagram. So atrium, pushing out the blood into the ventricles started filling with blood. So when ventricular pressure are more than atrial pressure, so that time what will happen? Blood tries to flow back to the atrium, because here the pressure is getting worse, no? So because of the pressure, blood will try to move back to the atrium. So now what happened? This cause closure of the AV valves. Means AV valves, atrioventricular valves. Okay, bicuspid and tricuspid valves. So they will close right now. Okay, because to stop the backflow of the blood. So they will close. Okay, so when we close a door, there is a sound, right? Whenever you will close a door, there will be a sound. So now first heart sound is heard. Okay, S1, first heart sound is here. When it is heard, when AV valves will close. Okay, when AV valves will close, we will hear a sound, that is S1, that is first heart sound. And why AV valves closed? Because to stop the backflow of the backflow of the blood. Okay. When AV valves are closed and semilunar valve still not opened, pressure increases but volume remains same. This phase is called isovolumic contraction. Let's make you understand through the diagram. See, right now the AV valves closed, no? Right now just the AV valves closed and a semilunar valve also closed, right? So, so right now the pressure is increasing here. It will continue to increase, right? But the volume of the ventricles, means ventricles are filling the size, basically the size of ventricles are same, but the pressure is increasing. So volume means size here, okay? So volume is not changed, but volume not changed. Why? Because AV valves are closed, but semilunar valves are not opened yet, na? So blood can't flow through the semilunar valve. So blood is staying here and the pressure is increasing. So blood is staying here, so that the size of ventricles will not change, means the volume will not change, but the pressure will increase. This stage is called isovolumic contraction phase. Okay. Isovolumic contraction phase means the volume, the size of ventricles will not change, but the pressure will increase, and the duration of isovolumic contraction phase is 0 to 0.05 second. Okay. Let's just repeat the points. Atrial diastole means right now atria will relax, and diastole relaxing means filling with blood here, right? So duration of the filling, atrial relaxation and again filling with blood is 0.7 second. Atrium mostly relax in this phase. Gradual filling with blood continues. Pressure will increase in atrium. And what will happen in ventricles? Just the opposite of atrium, means atriums are relaxing. So right now ventricular ventricles will contract. So ventricular systole and ventricular diastole will occur. I am repeating, when atrium will relax, ventricles will contract. When ventricles will relax, atrium will contract. Okay. So right now in atrium relaxation phase, atrium diastolic phase, the ventricles will systole and diastole also, right? Okay, let's see. Ventricular cycle. First we will see ventricular systole. Systole means contracting. Now ventricles will contract. Now duration is 0 to 3 seconds. Okay, now phases. First phase is isovolumic contraction. Isovolumic contraction means when atrium push all the bloods to the ventricles, so ventricles will start fill with blood. Right now and when it starts, gradually the pressure will increase as it continues filling with bloods. So when the pressure in the ventricles will be more than the atrium, when the pressure will be more in the ventricles than the atrium, so blood will try to flow back to the atrium, because here the pressure is very much, so blood will try to flow back to the atrium. So that when that time AV valve will close, I mean atrioventricular bicuspid and tricuspid valve will close. So when we close a door, that makes a sound. So here AV valve is closed and we hear a sound, that is first heart sound, which is S1. Okay. And right now the AV valves are closed, but semilunar valves have not yet opened. Okay. So this time the volume of ventricles, means the size of ventricles are same, but the pressure is increasing, and this phase is called isovolumic phase, and the duration of this phase is 0.05 second. Okay. Yeah, if you have any doubt till now, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you.